chocolate. Idiot. We are freezing.
Cocoa beans up my butt, you know?
5 gallon? It is not 50. We have a 5 gallon. We're online. He laid on his stomach and farted. Good morning. It is 9:13. I'm gonna go see what everybody's doing, and then I'm gonna go brush my teeth and shower since I didn't shower last night. I have no idea what the plan for today is. I know we're painting the den, so that's a part of it. I've just gotten out of the shower. I think I'm gonna make some coffee. See what my mom's doing.
Wow, Peck. Wow. Did you say happy birthday to Bean?
I said, oh, to my penis.
Happy birthday. Why is it lean? You wanna?
You're so pretty. Look at yourself. I don't know.
Why does
My mom's trying to make coffee. She's setting up for 8 years.
Bath
Bath Body Works.
Oh, I didn't even put a thingy.
Okay, so what had happened was, if you were trying to buy candles online, you can't. Me and my mom were online for like an hour trying to check out.
It was a hot.
And then they sold out of one. And then they sold out of another.
So I had to keep removing the moving the item from my cart.
Yeah, and then it would crash. And now they're sold out of every single candle. I'm gonna leave Rich Lux's video.
It's
hilarious
funny.
and it perfectly exemplifies how we feel about Bath and Body Works. Stupid website.
Oh my god, it's so funny. I watched the video twice.
Outrageous. We watched the whole thing right now.
In the middle of the night, I woke up to watch it. I was laughing so hard.
You're so cute.
My hair is hideous because it's super dirty.
You didn't wash it?
No. And look at I dropped the rice cake in it right here. Why don't you sit cute? Oof. Oh, the foam was so strong. Packs fit. Whoa, that's that.
She went. Do you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Dude, this was bomb. What you talking about?
No, just the foam was really like cocoa beans up my butt, you know?
Don't like people like shove like
Coffee
drugs
beans
up their
in their
butt.
ass? Oh, I don't know. I mean, if they're
Is that a
hiding
thing? No, like for it to like be like
Oh yeah.
like I feel like I've heard
you
of
can
that.
get alcohol poisoning super fast that way. Don't try that at home. kids.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Through your butt?
Mm-hmm.
My face twitched.
My butt twitched.
We just took these two out of here. Oh my god, I need to do my video. Uploaded. Go watch it. Okay, so we fully emptied the room beside. Oh, hi Zoe. I love how cats get so like mesmerized when something moves. So the only thing we have in here is the bed, but my mom is selling that. So this is all our painting stuff. This is all the painting stuff. We have a 50 gallon? 5 gallon? It is not 50. We have a 5 gallon of paint. It's the same color as what's out there and then the rest of the house. So this is all of our painting stuff, and soon we're gonna start painting. My mom's gonna make breakfast for my dad and I think the kids. And yeah, I'm gonna start. This is a good place to film, lighting wise. I'm scared it's gonna pop. Why does it look like that? Because it's cold?
Just go. Yeah.
Yeah. The paint is so cold. I think we have to wipe down the walls. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a rag and start doing that. And close this. I don't know if you could really tell, the wall is dirty. I'm just using warm water. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep cleaning. There's not much to it.
You could do this one.
This isn't the
What?
So I'm playing, what's this called?
Game Beasts.
Game, what?
Game Beasts.
Game Beasts, okay.
Hello. Hey, pack your hat. Give me. No.
Snatch my weave for what?
It's not your weave.
Snatch my bald head. Hey! Hey! Okay, I'm gonna show you. I died, so.
I'm tan. Sonia's orange, I'm tan. I'm Rick.
Sonia is right here. That's Selena.
Rick and Morty. No, you're not. No. Yes. No. Die. No. Because only the agencies.
Okay, so here's my avocado toast. I don't know what happened to the egg whites. They like shrunk, but and then I'm gonna have ginger, obviously. Me and my mom are gonna go paint. No paparazzi. We don't want to paint. He farted. He laid on his stomach and farted. Disgusting, dude. You want to say hi? Can you say hi? Put me in a bad mood all the time. I'm gonna make one with Hot Pocket right now. We're going to Albertsons for sandwich stuff. I'm not even needed. I make it plain oatmeal. And then I put brown sugar in it. They love it. Idiot. Let me know if you know. Let me know if you know what that's from. Not my mom pooping. How short you are. I'm 4'9". Do I look straight? Hold on. I have to get the whole.
Okay,
And then.
wait, you
and
have
then.
to have your other arm back, right? Like this?
Or no, put it on your your hip. Yeah, like that. Yes. The hot cocoa bomb things. Silicones. We're going to Albertsons. Look at this tea aisle at Albertsons. They have so many. Oh my god. So I'm gonna clean the kitchen really quick for my mom because she's gonna film making sandwiches. She got all this stuff, like a bunch of meats and stuff for everybody. I got Ruffles and I'm so excited because now I can eat this. So I'm gonna make pasta. This was one of my favorites for a while and my mom got this again and so I want to eat it. It's just the Olive Garden like normal one. You can get it pretty much anywhere. And then bow tie pasta, and then you just put this on it and you can add Parmesan cheese and mayo, but I don't like the mayo on it, so I'm just gonna do this in the Parmesan cheese. I'm making a little bit because nobody else eats it but me. Oof. So right now I am editing. I'm drinking my espresso. It's about like an hour later since I ate. I was just chilling in my room. But now I'm gonna start editing and then, wow, mom's bun in all of its glory. So I'm gonna open my socks because my feet are freezing. 5.
I want to see them.
Are these them? Yes. Little but loud. Aw, how cute.
Oh, it's
Little but loud.
cute.
Us.
So Sonia's sitting right here. Look at the aesthetic we see. And then, okay, cover her. Me and Sonia are making cookies. The video that I did not that long ago, I'll put the thumbnail here and leave it down below if you want to see like the full in-depth. But she wanted to make cookies with me. So I'm just gonna do that right now. You go wash your hands, in the bathroom. Half a cup of brown sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna do the sugar for them. They can pour it in. I still have paint on my hands, don't talk about it. Okay, so you can't really see what they're doing, but if you really want to see the in-depth video, go watch my video.
Whoa.
Put it. I'm gonna melt the butter.
With this, I wanted it to go like Sonia's.
We've got a whisk, and we have the Santa on a pogo stick.
Ah!
How cute.
Wait, can I see?
You can go ahead and pour this. You. Pour it. There you go. Sonia can start, you can finish.
Okay. Ew. Oh, it looks like dirt. It looks like dirt. I don't think people want to see this. Oh, it's getting brown.
We're gonna put in the eggs. Here, you go ahead and crack one egg. Go ahead. You crack the other. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're fine.
It didn't.
There you go. That's not hard.
Okay.
Okay. Don't beat it to death. Oh my. Need 3 cups. So this is 1.
Ah.
Now Sonia, do that.
Yeah. Like this?
Yeah. Or like that. So it's faster.
Pushing. Because there's big chunks.
Yeah.
Ah, whoa. Oh no, I smushed it.
It's okay.
Oh no. I'm fixing it. Repairs.
So 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
That's baking soda?
Yes. Oops.
What?
That's the wrong one. I'm literally gonna take some of this out. I thought it said teaspoon. It does not have a teaspoon. Yes. I thought this said teaspoon. This says tablespoon. Oops. You know what? We're just gonna put a sprinkle of salt because I'm not trying to mess this up.
We all got one.
Oh wait, Daddy wanted Hershey's.
So both?
Yeah. Get her Hershey thing, Celine.
Oh, that's one tiny knife.
You're gonna mix this.
Oh,
Just put your.
I just want chocolate chips.
Now just sort of like flip it on top of each other.
Pushing.
So. Alright, I'm gonna clean up right here really quick while that preheats, and then we're gonna roll. Well, now it's not preheating, but I'm still gonna clean this up because it's a mess, so
Stop.
we can roll them out properly. So they take too long to roll cookies out, but I'm not gonna rush them. So I'm just gonna leave them be, and I'll show you guys when they're done and rolled out and out of the oven. Hi, Zoe. She's watching them. She's just sleeping in my bed. That is the cutest thing of my entire life. Oh my god. So I've been sitting here for 45 minutes not editing because I keep procrastinating it. And I made cookies with the babies, so that's more bad. So excited. I wanted to show you guys the den as of right now. It's pretty much done. I think tomorrow we're just gonna do touch-ups around the edges, but it's all painted. So you can see like that needs a second coat. Somehow we need to get in there, but that's never been painted before. And then just like little stuff like that. So yeah, that's the end of this vlog. Tomorrow I'm gonna like wrap presents and I don't know what else, but I do need to wrap presents. I think I'm gonna finish my Christmas shopping. Made it to the end Let me know your favorite kind of cookie. Yes. Mine isn't chocolate chip. It's actually oatmeal raisin. I've never made those before. I think I should try it. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna go to bed after I'm done with this outro, like editing it. And yeah, I'm gonna wash my face, do all that good stuff, and go to sleep because I'm tired. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow.